do witches do with their pentacles? Hi, I'm Sandra from MysteryWitchSchool.com, and if you're new to this channel and you want to become a witch or a Wiccan, hit the subscribe button below so that you don't miss anything. This video is about the pentacle. So what the pentacle is essentially, it can be made out of copper, it can be made out of anything ceramic, some people make them out of wood. It is essentially a circular object, a circle on the outside with a pentagram on the inside. And that is a standard Wiccan pentacle. Penta meaning 5, okay. So you'd think that all pentacles, or all things that are called pentacles, would involve probably a pentagram, or at least something that's got 5 points or a 5-sided object in there. However, traditionally, that's not actually how it always is. Many signs and symbols in circles from a lot of the grimoires and various magical traditions are called pentacles, but they're not necessarily pentagrams, or they don't necessarily have a pentagram in them. Many of them actually have a hexagram in them, which is a 6-pointed star. Why use the word penta when you're referring to a hexa? I don't know, but you would think that if they're talking about pentacles, they'd be talking about something to do with 5, but not necessarily. Pentacles are a very broad term in magic, and they can be essentially a sigil inside a circle, and with other little signs and meanings inside that circle can actually be a pentacle. So that's technically the difference between the two. In Wicca, often you will see the pentagram inside a circle as a symbol, and we genuinely will refer to that as a pentagram because it's actually the pentagram we're dealing with, or the pentagram we're looking at. So if you see, it's actually the symbol inside the circle that's actually what we're dealing with, rather than it being the symbol in itself. So pentacle here with a pentagram, but you'll often see also the pentagram by itself away from the circle. So in Wicca, many people will refer to this as a pentagram or as a pentacle. It's pretty much take your choice, whatever you want to call it, because there is a pentagram here, so you are correct in calling it a pentagram, but it's inside a circle, so you can also call it a pentacle. So that's kind of the difference between the two. And I thought that might be something of interest to note, because some people get really pedantic when you hold up a pentacle and call it a pentagram. Okay, so let's just get it straight if you're one of those people. With your pentagram, what can you do with it? Now you know what your pentacle is, what can you do with it? Well, you can use it as a shield. It is an earth object, so you can use it as a shield and shielding magic. So if you're doing some sort of magic and you're wanting to shield yourself or protect yourself, you can use the pentacle or symbols of the pentacle as wards or as talismans or a charm, I should say, not a talisman. Either a charm around your neck, like I've got here, or you can use it as a ward to shield your home or to shield yourself. That's one way of working with your pentacle. If you're doing magic, often you'll place your spell materials on your pentacle because that's earthing it, it's grounding it, it's putting the earth element and bringing what it is that you're wanting to create, which comes from your mind and your desire, down into the earth realm. So often you'll put your spells, sometimes your candles, your herbs on, or your petition on your pentacle to start doing the work with it. And the other way that you can use your pentacle is simply to demonstrate that you are a Wiccan by wearing one, or a witch by wearing one. It does tend to be more connected to Wicca rather than traditional witchcraft because of its connection more to ceremonial magic and high magic. But you can still wear it to let other witches know that you are one of them. So it's a way of identifying yourself as a witch or a Wiccan. It's a way of shielding yourself or your home or your car or whatever it is you're wanting to shield, and also to ground your magic when you're working with magical materials. There's other things that you can do with your pentacle, but I'll leave that for another video, another day. And if you are, of course, wondering where to start your witchcraft practice and how do you know when to learn all of these things, then do download my free video, How to Start Your Witchcraft Practice. The link will be below this video, and have a look at that. So that will get you started on knowing where to start and what it is that you need to learn and how to sequence that for yourself. Enjoy your pentacle, and I will see you on another video. Blessed be.